selling behind. Been on the macho like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your bandit. The killers understand it. I got broads in the line.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Zulu1. Obviously not playing anything you've seen before. We're playing Ravenfield Beta 5. I found the game out a few days ago, and it's pretty much like CS:GO or Call of Duty, but a lot more friendlier and kid-friendly. If you guys, younger viewers out there, want to play this game, obviously it still does involve guns, but hey ho. So the game's Ravenfield, and I kind of fell in love with this as much as I have with Minecraft. Oh, hello. So we got these. So we're these little blue guys, and blue is our team, and red's the other team. So it's pretty much capture the flag, but they're different classes you can get. You can get the AK, you can get a signal DMR, which is like a sort of like a battle rifle. You can get a sniper, you can get a shotgun, you can get another sniper, and then you got the vehicles like tanks and helicopter. The helicopter is incredibly hard to fly. Look, here's an example. But also, what I love about this game is you can do this. Slow. Yeah, you can turn it on slow-mo. They're meant to be adding a multiplayer element to this, which I definitely will play if it comes out, or when it comes out. But they won't be adding the slow-mo thing to it. There's a lot of the reds up there. Okay, I just got ran over by my teammate. Okay. Let's see if we can try getting a helicopter back at base. This game is just it's so fast action. And then boom. Right, we're on an ATV. Alright, okay. Let's try go for the flag. I'm gonna play like 2 or 3 rounds of this because I love this game. I also found out is if there's 2 types of what's it called, bazookas that you can get, or RPGs if something called. As I would call them anyway. I'd call it an RPG. He's not dead, is he? Alright, he is. Yeah, you can get RPGs, and there are 2 types. One's a lock-on missile. Get ready for this shot. Wow, that was good. He died. Okay. Also, guys, I want to say a few things about upcoming on the channel. Obviously, there's been a lot of things on the channel at the moment, like Minecraft Story Mode. There's been some Planet Coaster. There's been some Hello Neighbor. I have to finish those series, and don't worry, guys. I will definitely try get those videos out for you. You know. Also, recently we hit 20 subscribers. Kind of a big day. Like, some people go, oh, when I hit 5,000 subscribers, it's a big day for me. But you know, I'm not setting this channel up to get 100 billion subscribers. I just want someone to say, oh, I like your content. But saying that, I do obviously want subscribers as well. I can't aim. Playing that, I've been playing a shooting game like before this, so I should be pretty good at this. You can I'll leave the link to download this down below. This is only the beta, so you've got the alpha to come as well. Plus, you've got the actual game to come out. So this will be my series. There are 2 maps you can play at the moment. Island, which we're playing right now. DOS Bowl, which is a... Oh, okay, I'm dead. Rip me. Yep, I'm dead. Right, come on, helicopter. Oh, our base got taken over. Okay. Reds are moving in quite fast. Right, tank. Oh, that sounds so sick with a helicopter. That didn't hit. Right, where'd that go with the ATV go? Hello? Yo, mate. What just happened? I don't know. Hello! Get up. Kill that kid. Kill that guy. It's quite a fast-paced action game. I can't wait for the alpha. Also, I want to see whether you guys want me to do after I finish Hello Neighbor, and after I finish Planet Coaster as well. Obviously doing the Minecraft story, but that might take a little while. What series you want to see? So I have two in mind. Well, one in mind. Well, one in mind actually. Yeah, one in mind. I need to get my computer's graphics cards upgraded so I can play the other one. That might give you a little bit of a hint. It's actually going to be No Man's Sky, which I'm trying to run on my PC, not a PlayStation, on a PC. So graphics need to be upgraded because I haven't got a good enough PC. But what can I say? Also, another thing with my editing. Obviously, you guys might be like, "Oh, it's not the best editing in the world," but you know, 23 videos. This will be the 23rd. 23 videos. Wait, what's happening? Options. Oh, right, we can turn our options up. Auto reload. Yeah, definitely. Options. Oh, challenge. Oh, we want it on easy. And then we go to quit menu. And then I want to show you the Dust Bowl really quickly. And then we'll play a game of this. Go on. Right, let's get in a helicopter quick. Alright, so why haven't my teammates spawned in? Here we go. Whoa, these are sick. Okay. Cool. These are hard to control. These are like the most hardest thing in the game to control. I'm going really far off track. What I'm trying to say is, do you guys want to see me play Subnautica next, or do you want me to leave it for a little while and then play Subnautica? So for February, I was looking at obviously playing Hello Neighbor and Planet Coaster and a bit of my Minecraft, obviously. Right, there goes down my helicopter. I'm dead. Most likely. Oh, did I just regain my control of my helicopter? Oh my god. How am I doing this? Like, seriously. These are all bots, they're not players. It's because this game isn't online, as I've repeatedly said. Let's try and get this little group here. Come on, blow them up. Oh, did you see that spin? Oh, yes. Got rip the helicopter. Preferably he doesn't see me. Look at that. Look at that speed turn. Oh, yeah. He's down. Oh, rip me. Who's gonna be first one to strike? Alright, they control this. Oh, God. Come on, guy. Reload faster. How did I win that? Please explain. Oh, that sounds so epic. My headset. Did that guy not die? I think he's dead now. I think, you know, just assume he died. Right, let's try going and take this flag. Right, we're taking the flag down. So, flags mean that the bots can spawn here. The aim of the game is to, like, take all the flags down, and then you control the, like, you win, basically. Oh, I just got, okay, obliterated by a sniper. Even though he's a bot, like, who actually uses a CQC sniper? Like, seriously. With my editing that I'm doing, guys, I'm trying to, like, make it so I got pop-ups on the screen if I, like, say something funny, like, have, like, a meme come up or something like that. I don't know, because I know you guys love memes. Well, most of you probably do. But, is that paint? I'm guessing it's paint. Why is it taking so long for me to load in? Why? There we go. Right, let's get in the tank. I need to show you down the tank. My editing. Yeah. So I'm trying to get like better things, but it's not working at the moment. That's why one day I didn't upload. I was on like a daily upload streak, and then that's why I didn't upload. So I'm doing upload every other day during the weekday, and then hopefully recording every day at the weekend. And that puts a lot of strain on me. I've got other things to worry about in life. School. I got a funded trip to India, which is quite a lot. I've got to save up 2,500 quid. Now, obviously subscribing does help, but it doesn't help with me going to India, but obviously if you would support the channel, that money would be going straight into that. It's going for 2 weeks as well. But that's not to worry about one. I don't really need to tell you that. Also, you can follow me Instagram. Yep, I'm telling you to follow my Instagram. Yep, I have Instagram. Not going on Facebook, not going on Twitter, just Instagram. It will be... I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to guess whether I should make up a new account or I should just tell you my good one. The one that I post on every day. Do you know what? Stuff it. Follow me. Is the letter is, well, the letter is, question mark. So I, on the screen, on my editing, I'd have like a question mark on the screen. But, is just CJ. As my friends call me CJ at school. But, there was a funny image of me who I go to school with. Oh, come on, tank. I also am on Discord and Skype, but I'm gonna create a Discord channel if you guys want to join me on it ever, or write like what you want to see. If you don't know what Discord is, it's pretty much like a... You know, I was on the call with Riz the other day when I was playing Egg Wars. Oh, that reminds me of another thing. I'm up to 99 wins on Egg Wars, and I've just got to do my 100th. Am I getting like shot by a helicopter or something? As if not. Oh, come on, load ammo. That's a good shot. But yeah, I'm on my 100th, so I want to record that. I'll be doing that with Riz and my mate Shizu Gaming. But yeah, I'll get that Discord. I'll have that done in the next episode. I'll have it all like written down in the next episode, not this episode. RPG. Got wrecked by a tank. Right, let's go run these kids over, okay? Stupid bots. I just blew up inside the building. Oh, that was nice. Okay, I just got obliterated again, but who cares? I think we're winning. We are winning. We are winning. Let me get a helicopter. Let me get a helicopter. Come on. Let me get in this. There we go. Right, yeah. Discord, next episode, blah blah blah. I kind of fell in love with Subnautica as well, and I'm like tempted to record it on YouTube. I will, but I don't know when the time's right. Why should I have like thousands of like episodes going all the time when I could just have like 2-3 series going per 3 months? Yeah, so it'll be done by seasons. So Planet Coaster, and obviously if some games come up that I've got on Steam, you can also follow me on Steam, Zulu1. If you want to friend me on Minecraft, on Egg Wars, you're more than welcome to. I mean, CubeCraft, you're more than welcome to. I'm not saying I'm going to accept, but I'm just saying, you can if you want to. Ooh, there we go. Right. This is where we need it. This is where we need it. Right. Just get those firing down. Just gonna shoot some of these kids, you know, as you do. That's not our tank, is it? Oh, that just sounds epic. With the... When was the last time I uploaded Hello Neighborhood? Well, I need to realise. Whoa. That's sick. Come on, mid-air shot. No, I'm down. No, I'm still alive. Ow. That guy's trying to snipe me, I think. Oh, come on, man. Yes! Good shot. Good shot from Zulu. Oh. That's slow-mo is sick! Where is he? Oh, that was just an epic close quarters snipe. Oh my god, the loudness of that. The loudness? The noise level of that. Oh god. Whoa, there are so many res, I'm surrounded. Come on, I just want to win run round, come on. Yeah, they're all retreating, they're all... Okay, I just got wrecked. Let's go in a helicopter. Oh, there is quite a few of us. I didn't realise the amount of bots. Take a helicopter. And then, let's go. Come on, we can win this. I'll win the next one on Island. I'll do that next week though. I'm gonna do one of these every week, I think, guys. Depends on how much you like it. If I get like 2-3 likes, I think I'll do it every week. If I get 3 likes, I know people will like in the future if you watch me, and obviously I'll be the biggest YouTuber out there, obviously, bigger than PewDiePie. I have to admit, PewDiePie's subscribers, there's quite a few of them. There's not just one, you know, it's 50 odd million. Come on, control it. Okay, I'm gonna get out of that. Right, let's try go in and take that flag. Come on. Next round, the next time I record, I'm gonna try to do a sniper. This one will be a shotgun. How would none of these hit me? Get in the tank. No, I saw him already in the tank. Don't run me up! I'm triggered. I'm actually triggered. There's a tank out there. I am so triggered. Oh my god, I'm triggered. Oh my god. I am too triggered. Fire it! That's just sick. Oh, that not actually. What does he expect me to fire? Fire! Fire! Yes! I didn't even need to let it. Come on, guys. What is this guy cheering about? Oh my god, you can kill your own teammates. He just got wrecked by his mates. Yo, you block my view, man. Oh, that's gonna be sick. Oh, what? No! Oi. me get on the ATV. Alright, mate, you're useless. So... He's like, really? Really, kid? Okay, I'm just like struggling. Can you get up, man? And the only problem with this game is it's first person. Oh, come on. Oh, one guy versus me. If I like wreck this ATV anymore, I'm gonna get blown up. Alright, I'm over! Yes! Did it kill him? Did it kill him? No, I need to shoot him, man. Eh! Alright, they're down. They're down. They're down. They're down. Come on. Are we gonna win this or not? Come on. Don't know, like a recall mission. If I die, I think I'm just gonna end it there, and I'll tell you, I'll record the last bit of me winning and put that in my editing. Mate, are you blind? It's just sick. Stay down. That's a sick suppressed gun. Wow. There's another game I'm going to try to be playing, which is on a website called Roblox, which is called Phantom Forces, which is like this. Try to get some montages going. I've never done a montage in my entire life. Ever. There's another game that I love to bits, which is called Apocalypse Rising. I'm in a group called the Russian Squad. We need a lot of support. If you guys ever heard of a thing called ARCL, Apocalypse Rising Competitive League, I think it is. We'll be joining that when Apocalypse Rising 2 comes out. But yeah, I'm not really gonna go on about APOC because it's not. I don't record it, so there's no point. I'm probably like boring you to death with commentary right now. Sorry, I just like shooting people. Come on. I want the flag going down. There we go. Don't get too close to me, mate. Come on, I need the flag to go down all the way. Come on, die, die, die! And then, come on guys, we can do this. Right, no, why is it going up? Why, oh god, there's a red, where is he? Oh, 2. How am I surviving this long? Oh. No, I'm not even gonna try it. As soon as he turns around, I'm dead. Fire, fire, fire! No, why is it not firing? No, I don't have any ammo. I'm dead. Can I get in? No, I can't. He can't shoot me. He can't shoot me. He can't shoot me. Blow yourself up. He's blowing himself up. This is sick. Oh, rip me. How am I surviving? Okay, it's a tank. Oh yeah, I'm going. How? How am I alive? How? How? Right, there we go. I died. That's gonna be the end of the video.